I am very happy with it. They've done an absolutely spectacular job. Hello, my name is Craig. We have a family history of premature balding at about our 30s for a few generations. Basically, when I spoke to a cousin regarding it, he suggested that I go to DHI to try out either the hair transplant or their patches. So since I wasn't really ready for hair transplant, I said, let's go and try the patches. And of course, work did require me, it's a public relations type of work. It required me to have a preference for hair over not having them. So basically now coming to DHI, I was shown several different types of hair that I could wear, different types of textures, etc. That process did let me find a good type of patch that did fit me well. As you can see, you can't even tell that the patch isn't real. It looks like my natural hair, and I really couldn't ask for more. Hopefully a lot of my co-workers will be coming in for the same. Definitely I can say that if you're looking for this, go ahead. This is the safest that you can trust.